guys, good morning. It's already 5 a.m. We're going to cook fishes and also the shrimp. We have here the veggies and yes, girl. So we're going to cook the shrimp first. I did not get this one. I don't know. It's a mustache. Hi, ganda na. We're going to cook this guys first. So, you know guys, we spend only, I think it's about, how much? It's about 350 pesos for all. How much?
500.
Oh, it's about 500 pesos guys, but it's worth it because this is my favorite. This one, the 1 kilo of this fish is 350, 1 kilo, but it's only 175 because it's only half kilo, and then this one also is only half kilo, and this one is 100 pesos. So we're going to cook guys. So first we cook this one first. I've already washed that guys. And then, where is the, going to put what? And Sprite?
Sili.
Going to put Sprite.
Sili.
For this. Buksan mo na.
Bubuksan pa? Ala, dali. Bakit mong bura ila? Ay, nalubo.
Yan.
Ubos? Ayaw mo nga.
Bakit?
Ayaw mo nga. Ano yan na pagkuan?
Ito na, kay pakuluan mo muna. Pakukuluan eh. Yan. I'm going to boil that first guys, and then all the ingredients into the
Ay, Ruby, may mantika ka?
shrimp. It's already boiling.
Ngayon ba dito? Sobra pa?
It's boiling guys. It looks yummy. And
Pakulo. Ay, patuyuin mo ka. Ay, mag-ano ako.
we'll let it dry first guys. We'll let it boil until the Sprite is dried, and then when it's already dry, we're going to add the Sprite again. The shrimp is cooked. Now I'm going to cook the fish. Here I have the pat in here. I'm going to cook the paksiw. So first, I've already washed those guys. So because of my pat is really thin, so I'm going to put this first to make sure that it's not gonna stick on the metal, the fish, because sometimes when it's burned, it will stick on the metal. So here's my fish, like this.
What? Ingat-ingat mo?
No. Okay.
Yun na yun.
I add some this one guys because it's too many for
tama na, sakto.
fish soup.
Ako
Or tinola.
yun, amin.
And then gugulo ka na.
Sakto nga ano.
And then I'll put this guys. Garlic, the ginger, and this. And then I'll put some this. Ano yun mo? Putulin mo. Kunin mo yung apple cider na. Please.
Kunin.
Apple cider. Vinegar. Yeah, I'm going to put the apple cider vinegar guys because
Dili na maharang.
we're on diet. That's why I use
Dili na maharang.
no.
Butang
Nice.
nice. Ko an. Butang sili na baga.
That's why I put apple cider vinegar.
Butang
And
sili.
then
Waray kasukan na iba?
yun lang.
Ano suka?
I add. Ay, akin yan.
Di, tama na.
And then I put this one also, the regular vinegar. And then I add some water, guys. And then I put some salt. And then the magic one. Magic sarap. Okay. So add. And then I'm going to put this on the top of the fish. Here. And then I put some water in here, guys. I don't measure it, guys. You know. So, later, guys, I'll let it boil until it's cooked. And then I'm gonna cook the tinolang isda. Yes, I have this one. It's boiling, guys. I think 3 minutes more and then it's cooked already. And then I'm gonna cook again the fish soup. So if you notice, guys, I only use one same pot because I don't have any, and then we're out of gas on our stove. So I use this one. So 5 minutes or 3 minutes, guys. Guys, the paksiw is already cooked and the shrimp. Now we still have a fish soup. So wait for it, guys. I'm gonna show you for the fish soup. We'll let the water boil first, but we already put the lemongrass and then the ginger in there. And then later, we're going to add some of this. And of course, the fish. And we have sweet potato leaves. And of course, this one. And the magic one is the magic syrup. So, I'll be back later. I already put the boiling water. We already put the fish into the boiling water, guys. And we already add the ingredients. And today, she's the, ngayon? We call that one. She's cook today. So, she add already the potato leaves, sweet potato leaves. We normally use cabbage, guys, but today, we like to mix it into the potato leaves, sweet potato leaves. So later, guys, I'm going to show you when it's cooked. So the fish soup, it's already cooked. It's here. The fish is hiding. Oh my god. Here. That's what it looks like. Fish. So I'm gonna put this on my plate. And we have a Filipino favorite every morning, the pandesal bread. Hi. Let's eat. So we're going to eat first, guys. Then I'll be back after we eat. I'll show you what the table looks like. What mess we've done. Thank you. Wait, guys. I'll be back after we eat. Hi, guys. So this is my plate. I've already done eating. But my friend, hey. Hi. Is the food good?
Yeah, it is good.
Tastes good. What about you?
What?
Tastes good or not?
Yeah, of course.
It is. Look at my plate, guys.
Ako nagluto eh.
That's my plate. And there's our 2 shrimp
Sarap ng hipon.
left. And 1
May matulak pa sa
paksiw.
da.
And then the fish soup, the tinolang isda. And then the bread. Out of 10 pieces, only 4 pieces left. We're still eating, guys. So it's like mukbang for us. We only eat fish, veggies, and bread. We're not eating rice. No rice at all. No rice at all. We're on diet, guys. That's why I'm using an apple cider vinegar for my fish paksiw. I don't know what's in English, but look. Hi. Enjoy, guys. Good. I've already finished, I think, 3 fishes. One, the big one, the paksiw, and then the tinola. And I've eaten shrimp, of course. One of my favorite. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the bell button to notify you for my new vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.